Automating signature workflows for HR teams can save hours every week, reduce human error, and ensure compliance with minimal effort. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to easily automate those workflows and make your HR team more efficient. First, let's talk about why automation is crucial for HR teams, especially when it comes to handling signatures. Manual processes can slow everything down. With documents like contracts, forms, and agreements requiring signatures, your HR team is spending too much time handling paperwork instead of focusing on more strategic work. Automating signature workflows not only speeds things up, but it ensures everything is stored securely, making audits and reviews seamless. Now, let's get into the steps. To automate signature workflows, you'll need the right software, something that integrates with your HR platform and provides a user-friendly process for document signing. The software we'll be using today does just that, and I'll link to an exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to follow along. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure to take advantage of it. Start by uploading the document you need signed into the software. Most platforms allow you to simply drag and drop your file into their system. Once uploaded, you'll select the signature field and assign it to the person who needs to sign. This step is critical because it allows the software to track who has signed, who needs to sign, and what stage the document is in. Next, set up automatic notifications. These are key in keeping everyone on track. You can set reminders for when a document is about to expire or when someone needs to review it. Automating reminders ensures that no document is left unsigned or forgotten, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. Once your document is ready and your settings are in place, send it out. The person receiving the document will be notified, and they can sign it electronically with just a few clicks. This saves HR teams from chasing down signatures manually. Plus, the software we're using makes sure all signatures are legally binding, so you don't have to worry about compliance issues. Finally, once the document is signed, the software will automatically save it, often in the cloud, for easy access later. You'll also have a clear audit trail of who signed what and when, which is a huge time saver when it comes to tracking records for HR purposes. So, if you want to automate signature workflows for your HR team, remember, upload the document, assign signature fields, set up automatic reminders, and send it out. It's that simple. And the right software can handle it all for you. Key takeaway: automating signature workflows for HR teams can massively improve efficiency, reduce human error, and ensure compliance. By using the right software, you can save time and focus on more critical HR tasks. If you haven't already, be sure to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below so you can follow along and start automating signature workflows today. Thanks for watching.